Welcome back, grade 4. Today in science, we're going to be talking about animal habitats. A habitat is the natural home or environment of an animal, plant, or other organism. In other words, where an animal lives. As a review, an ecosystem is all of the living and non-living things in an environment and how they interact with each other. The first ecosystem we're going to look at is the desert. Deserts are places that don't get much rain and are very dry. They can be either hot places or cold places, but deserts don't have much water. Animals that live in the desert are able to conserve water and keep their body temperatures at the right level. Animals that live there are the desert fox, the camel, thorny lizards, and the hawk. There are many, many more other animals that live in the desert than just these. Next is the rainforest. Rainforest habitats are forests located around the tropics, which is a zone around the equator. Rainforests are different from other forests in the world because they get a lot of rain every year. This makes them damp and humid. Animals that live here are the sloth, lizards, frogs, orangutans, tigers, and panthers. Next is the ocean. 4 main ocean habitats are the intertidal zone, the shore, reefs, and the open ocean, and the deep sea, including the trenches. Most organisms have some adaptations specific to their preferred habitat. A great abundance of life can be found in the intertidal zone. Some animals that live there are sharks, jellyfish, sea turtles, many different kinds of fish, and octopus. Next is the tundra, a vast, flat, treeless Arctic region of Europe, Asia, and North America in which the subsoil is permanently frozen. Some animals that live here are polar bears, Arctic fox, wolves, penguins, and owls. Next are the grasslands. Grassland habitats are places that receive more rain than deserts, but less precipitation than forests. Most of the plants here are grasses, which don't need as much water as forest vegetation. The major temperate grasslands are found in parts of Africa, South America, Eurasia, and North America. Animals that live there, some of them are lion, zebra, giraffe, kangaroo, elephant, and rhino. Next are the woodlands, the forest. Forest trees and plants provide food, shelter, and protection for many different types of animals. It is just a name for the places where plants and animals make their homes. Some animals that live there are deer, bear, squirrels, and foxes. And next we have the wetlands. A wetland is a place where the land is covered by water, either salt, fresh, or somewhere in between. Marshes and ponds, the edge of a lake or ocean, the delta at the mouth of a river, low-lying areas that frequently flood. All of these are wetlands. Some animals that live there are beaver, duck, turtle, and otter. That is the end of the science lesson for today. You can use this information to answer your Google Forms a little bit later, and we will be back with you again real soon.